Before moving to the next stage, the product surface is cleaned first. Using specialized equipment, dry ice particles are sprayed onto the surface at high speed to remove dust, residues, and impurities. The whole process is clean and efficient, helping keep the surface in a better condition for the following steps. Although it looks like a simple cleaning process, it plays an important role in later assembly, inspection, and overall quality control. By handling every step carefully, we help each product move forward with a cleaner surface and more stable quality. Choose fast turn and experience high-quality service.